It is one of the most common and worrying signs for men. You wake up and it is just not there anymore. You might brush it off, but what if it is your body's early warning system? Morning wood, or nocturnal penile tumescence, is a barometer for health involving nerves, blood vessels, and hormones, primarily testosterone. Strong, regular occurrences signal healthy blood flow, robust testosterone, and a well-functioning nervous system. It happens multiple times per night, typically during REM. When the signal disappears long-term, it is not a diagnosis, but it is a prompt to investigate. For NPT to happen, your brain must send the right signals, your nervous and cardiovascular systems must deliver, and hormones must be in balance. Think of it as a free daily diagnostic your body runs while you sleep. Presence suggests healthy vascular and nervous systems, and testosterone likely in a healthy range. The same systems that support NPT, hormonal balance, good circulation, deep sleep, also support energy, mood, cognition, and vitality. Losing this marker can be unsettling, and an opportunity to course correct. The number one modern killer is poor sleep quality, and the biggest disruptor is blue light from devices. Your brain produces most testosterone during deep sleep. Blue wavelengths hit receptors, signal the suprachiasmatic nucleus, and tell your brain it is daytime, suppressing melatonin. Less melatonin means fragmented sleep and fewer deep stages where testosterone peaks. Even 1 week of 5 hours per night can cut testosterone by 10 to 15%. That is like aging 10 to 15 years. Fast. Fix it with a digital sunset. Stop screens at least 90 minutes before bed and let melatonin rise. If you must use devices, enable night mode or glasses. Make your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet with a consistent sleep-wake schedule. Small, consistent changes anchor your circadian rhythm and support hormones. Chronic stress elevates cortisol. Cortisol and testosterone sit on a seesaw. When cortisol is high, testosterone is pushed down. It constricts blood flow and deprioritizes reproduction and muscle building. Diets high in processed foods, refined sugars, and industrial seed oils drive inflammation and fat gain. Body fat produces aromatase, converting testosterone to estrogen and suppressing NPT. Alcohol impairs Leydig cells, ruins sleep architecture, and stresses the liver. A triple threat. Net effect: lower testosterone and poorer erections. To manage stress, dedicate 10 minutes daily to breathing. 2 sharp inhales through the nose, followed by a long exhale, rapidly lowers cortisol. Build meals around quality protein: lean meats, fish, and eggs. Add healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil. Cholesterol is a precursor to testosterone. Pile on vegetables, cut sugary drinks and processed snacks, and reduce alcohol, small changes, consistently. Sitting reduces blood flow and lowers testosterone. Erections are vascular. They need robust circulation. Without movement, the system goes dormant. Resistance training signals anabolic hormones, testosterone and growth hormone, to rise. Aim for full body strength 3 times weekly, 45 to 60 minutes. Add hourly walking breaks, take the stairs, and do a 20-30 minute brisk walk daily. Low-level activity improves circulation, weight, and stress. Create a non-negotiable sleep routine. Screens off 90 minutes before bed, read, unwind, and keep your room dark and cool. Eliminate sugary drinks, add 1 whole food meal, and cut evening alcohol. If changes for 2 to 3 months bring no improvement, see a doctor for testosterone, free testosterone, and related markers, and screening for sleep apnea, thyroid, or cardiovascular issues. Seeking professional advice is a sign of strength. Your morning wood is a health report card. Do not ignore it. Share this with a friend, like, and subscribe for no-nonsense men's health. Take control of your health. Start tonight.